Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming your hardware and saving your data. Use system information to verify the CPU is x64 capable. If not, you cannot proceed. Once done, back up personal files and create a full system image so you can recover if needed. Make sure you have Windows 10 64-bit installation media and your product key handy, and download 64-bit drivers for critical devices. This prevents driver gaps after the clean install. Now you create the install media and initiate the clean install. Run the media creation tool to write a 64-bit ISO to a USB stick. Pick 8 GB or larger. Then restart and boot from that USB. Adjust UEFI/BIOS boot order and enable UEFI mode to match modern installs. When the installer runs, choose Custom Install, delete the old Windows partition, and format the target partition. This removes the 32-bit system, so a fresh finish by completing the out-of-box setup and immediately install chipset and graphics drivers to stabilize performance. Once configured, run Windows Update repeatedly, reinstall your applications, and restore personal files from the backup you made. If Windows does not activate, sign in with your Microsoft account or re-enter the product key. If hardware lacks drivers, use Device Manager to identify hardware ID and download the correct 64-bit drivers from the vendor. That single troubleshooting tip
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.